How to remove something from photo easily. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can remove something from a photo quite easily, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To remove something from a photo easily, first of all, depends on which phone you're using. For iOS, I don't find any sort of options. For Google phones, you can use Google Photos and use something known as Magic Eraser. In my case, I'm using a Samsung Galaxy device, and Samsung provides a feature called Object Eraser, where if you select a certain photo and then you swipe up like this, you'll find a little option right here known as Object Eraser. Now this is in the latest Android 14 version, but if you're using older versions, you might want to hit the edit button first, and once you hit the edit option, only then you should be able to find the three dots option there, and then you'll be able to find Object Eraser. Otherwise, you can tap on this Object Eraser option, and let's say that there is a certain object that you want to remove from your photo. Here you can just go ahead and then draw around this circle like this, and then that object will get successfully removed. Or you can just tap on it, the AI will automatically recognize, tap the erase option here, and then once you erase it, it will get successfully removed from that photo by just tapping the erase option here. This way you'll be able to remove something from a photo. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.